traveling on. I've been with your magic too long. I didn't come to stay, but you made it that way. Babe, I won't be traveling on. Babe, I won't be traveling on. For the first time I'll be moving alone, and I really don't know of any reason to go. Babe, I won't be traveling on. Well, it's your pretty blue eyes and your mild and mellow way, the way you smile in the morning when I wake up to your face. Well, it's the trickle of your laughter when you're fooling me down the telephone. Well, it's these and many things that just keep you from traveling on. Babe, I won't be traveling on. For this I never bargained at all, but you never can know what's a-coming along. Babe, I won't be traveling on. Babe, I won't be traveling on. Well, if I do, you'll be coming along, but I ain't going nowhere just as long as you're here. Babe, I won't be traveling on. Well, it's your cornbread cookies and your toffee and your sweet apple pie, the way you sing in the evening, sitting down by the fire. Well, it's your hugging and a kissing and a loving me all night long. Well, it's these and many things that just keep you from traveling on. Babe, I won't be traveling on. I've been with your magic too long. I didn't come to stay, but you made it that way. Babe, I won't be traveling on.